Hello guys, this is Eva from SINOMADA China Limited, and we are professional supplier of all kinds of construction machinery. We know XCMG is a famous brand of construction machinery, and today we are coming to XCMG Excavator factory to show you some machines. The excavator I want to introduce to you is this one, XE135G. It's the most popular model of XCMG. The operating weight of this model is 13,500 and the capacity of the bucket is 0.32 cubic meters. Let me show you some details of this model. Brand new seats, shock absorption, better wrapping, sitting for a long time without fatigue, and the armrest box can be adjusted synchronously with the seat, providing the most comfortable operating range. The key part of this turntable is made of 20 tons of high-grade steel plate, and the working device is partially strengthened, which is more reliable and durable, with faster movement speed and high operation efficiency. Customize the low-speed, high-torque engine with low fuel consumption, rapid response, high reliability, and low maintenance cycle. After seeing so many excavators, I bet there must be one you are interested in. If you are interested, contact me and I will give you best price and service. This is Eva. See you next time.